Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is how to edit a Descript video. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply go to descript.com and make sure to sign in into an account. And this will be their homepage. And as you can see, in order for you to edit a video right away, you should be able to see here edit video in their homepage and just simply select on it. And after that, you could either upload a file or paste a video link from YouTube. So let's say I will use one of our video as an example, and you could just simply copy the link and paste it over here and click on this send icon. And after that, just simply wait for it to be uploaded into the script, and you should be able to edit it out. And a pop-up window will show up, and it will automatically be transcribed for you, and just simply select the number of people who are speaking and the speaker name as well, and just simply click on done. And now from here on the right side, as you can see, first you will have here the sound tab, so you could go for studio sound, and from here guys, as you can see, you could edit out your video and change the sound and improve it. And now you could also go ahead and click on the video, and from here you should be able to see here elements as well. So you could add a text, you could add shapes, you could add a camera, you could add a timer. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And you could also go for the captions as well. So you could add a text word, and you will have here the layer as well in order for you to understand the basic on the video. And you could also go for the effects over here, and you could add a shadow, you could add an effect, and these are the multiple options that this script have. And once you are done, you could just simply go ahead and go to the export on the top right corner and just simply select video. And from here guys, you should filter it out on how do you want to export it. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.